Hello and welcome to today's video. Are you thinking of buying a new SUV this year? Maybe you are struck between two great options, the Toyota Venza and the Lexus RX 350. Both are stylish, reliable and packed with features, but which one is the best pick for you, especially here in Nigeria? So in this video, we will break down everything you need to know. We will look at price, fuel economy, comfort, resale value, and how each car performs on Nigeria roads. Whether you are buying for family, business, or just personal comfort, this guide will help you make the right choice. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the ultimate SUV comparison. Toyota Venza versus Lexus RX 350 from a Nigerian perspective. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future car reviews and buying tips. So let's start with a quick review. So you see, Toyota Venza is a mid-size crossover SUV. It's known for its sleek design, fuel efficiency and hybrid engine. It's a great choice for people who want style and economy in one package. Lexus RX 350 on the other hand is a luxury SUV. It's bigger, more powerful and offers a premium driving experience. It's perfect for those who want comfort, performance and status. Both cars are made by Toyota, so reliability is guaranteed. But they serve different purposes though, and come with different price tags. So let's talk money right now. In Nigeria, the Toyota Venza is more affordable. A fairly used Venza from 2015 to 2020 ranges from 10 million to 25 million naira, depending on the condition and trim. The Lexus RX 350 on the other hand is more expensive. Used models from 2015 to 2020 can cost between 18 million to 35 million or more than that, If you are on a budget, the Venza is the better option. But if you want luxury and don't mind spending more, the RX 350 is worth it. It's worth it. Fuel is a big deal in Nigeria, especially with rising petrol prices. The Toyota Venza is a hybrid, It gives you around 40 miles per gallon in the city and 37 on the highway. That means fewer trips to the fuel station and more savings. And the Lexus RX 350 is not a hybrid though. It offers about 22 miles per gallon in the city and 29 on the highway. So if fuel economy is important to you, Venza wins in this category, So let's talk about how these cars drive. The Lexus RX 350 has a 2.4 liter turbo engine with 275 horsepower. It's powerful, smooth and great for long trips or highway cruising. The Toyota Venza has a 2.5 liter hybrid engine with 219 horsepower. It is not as powerful as the Lexus RX 350, but it's quiet and efficient. In Nigeria traffic, both cars perform well, but if you want speed and power, go for the RX 350. If you want smooth driving and fuel savings, the Venza is your friend. Comfort matters, especially on Nigerian roads. The Lexus RX 350 offers more legroom, premium leather seats and advanced climate control. It feels like you are in a luxury hotel on wheels. The Toyota Venza is also comfortable but simpler. It has cloth or synthetic leather seats, good legroom and a clean dashboard. Both cars have touchscreen infotainment systems, Bluetooth and navigation, but the RX 350 adds extras like surround view cameras, adaptive cruise control and premium audio. If you want luxury, go Lexus. If you want comfort without the extras, Venza is enough for you. Planning to use your SUV for family trips or business? The Toyota Venza has more cargo space with seats up 28.8 cubic feet. The Lexus RX 350 has a 16 cubic feet with seats up, but both reach 32.6 cubic feet when seats are folded. For school runs, groceries or travel, the Venza gives you more room. Both cars seat 5 people comfortably, but the RX 350 has more second row leg room, which is great for taller passengers. Safety is key. The Lexus RX 350 has top safety ratings. 4.38 out of 5 stars from crash tests. It includes blind spot monitoring, parking sensors, and emergency braking. The Toyota Venza, on the other hand, also has great safety features. Adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and automatic emergency braking. Both are safe, but the RX 350 has more advanced tech. Thinking long term, the Toyota Venza holds value well. It's cheaper to maintain and has strong demand in Nigeria. The Lexus RX 350 also has good resale value, especially for luxury buyers. But repairs and parts can be more expensive. If you want easy resale and low maintenance, Venza is better in this regard. If you want prestige and don't mind the cost, RX 350 is also solid in this aspect. Let's talk about Nigerian roads. Potholes, traffic, and fuel scarcity are real issues. The Toyota Venza handles rough roads well. The suspension is soft, and the hybrid system helps in traffic. The Lexus RX 350 is also great, but its low ground clearance can be a challenge on bad roads. Both cars are reliable, but the Venza is easier to maintain locally. Mechanics know it well, and parts are more available. So which SUV is the best pick for you this year? If you want luxury, power, and premium features, go for the Lexus RX 350. It's stylish, comfortable, and perfect for those who want the best. If you want fuel savings, comfort, and value for your money, then the Toyota Venza is your winner. It's practical, efficient, and fits the Nigerian lifestyle. Both are great cars. Your choice depends on your budget, lifestyle, and what matters most to you. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you decide between the Toyota Venza and Lexus RX 350. If you enjoyed this comparison, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share with friends who are car lovers. Drop a comment below, tell us which SUV you prefer and why. We would love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, drive safe and stay blessed. See you on the next one.